Limo's been in here, honey. These two. Chrissy, are you itching your face on the gate? Champagne, what do you think? Huh? What do you think? Boo! Tell her, Blue. Were you playing with your girls? Are they playing with you?
Well, there you got it. That's what we get this morning. Some ground fog. And some frost. Because, yep, I didn't think it was supposed to get below like 38. Guess what? It did. And, hey, I actually slept last night when I was back in the house to sleep. Damn coyotes were right below the cow lot last night. I really wanted to get one, but man, I ended up going out over here by the chute, and I could, even from over by the cow's water trough, I could see the eye shine when they looked at me. I got a good flashlight for that, but the problem was they didn't want to keep looking at me. So, once you don't see the eye shine, you don't see anything. And I know there was at least 3. I think there was 4. That's too many, too close to the barn at the wrong time of year. I don't care what time of year it is, it's still too many. I mean, I know we've had them literally the other side of that gate, because I was standing right here with Whiskey at the gate and the coyote about 10 feet on the other side of it. And I think it was the same morning. Was it, Whisk? Do you remember? Huh? I'm looking out the window up there, going right over the Tahoe, which would be the bedroom window, trying to figure out what the hell Whiskey's out here barking at, and Whiskey is standing right at the end of that concrete walkway. And there's literally, all I could see was a shadow dead center of the screen right here. And I was wondering, was I really seeing something or not? So, anyway, I got to figure out how to do something with them freaking coyotes. I haven't even gotten much video for you today, but there's our afternoon. Kind of nice not having an extension cord laying across right here. Of course, it's still laying right there. Still got to pick it up. Ty got her some straw spread while I was working on wiring. She helped me get one of the lines run underneath the deck, where it's kind of a pain in the ass because everything's in the way. But look, these ladies are all comfy cozy for now. Well, not really comfy cozy. She thinks she's got a big gaff in her. I don't know. We'll see. Thought about starting on it today, but yeah, I gotta change that plug in. And I hate those little boxes, but I may still use the same box. It needs a different cover, but I don't have one, so. But I'll jump into that one, and it's gonna be an easy run. It's gonna run right where that extension cord is, except it's going to get stapled to the side of that all the way down to the end, with a box and a plug at the end. So I'm going to rig the end of it, then run the wire, nail the box in, and work my way back stapling when I do it. But yeah, I got to do part of it on top of the gate. The other part's not too bad. It's on a 6-inch wide chunk. And they're just chilling in here. Getting to be a chunk missing here now. a wheat straw. Takes like 2 or 3 times what it does oat straw, and builds up faster. Kind of like Ty said something a couple weeks ago about maybe cleaning this out. The way the weather was, it was like, no, we're not going to right now. You know, should be done before we start calving. And today, since it didn't rain, it's like, oh, what the heck? Ty looked, today was only 35% chance. You know, the next week is 70 to 80%. Is what it is. A lot nicer if it's not raining to do it, because then we can sneak out that way and make it across down below. And the radio's in here, off station a little bit. Look at you plug. I wanted to put a weather cover on, but I don't have any at the moment, so. And just ran the camera cord up. So, it's even working. Look at that. Say hello, everybody. The other end probably ain't lit up, so it doesn't matter. And I didn't end up going to the junction box, like I said. I ended up going to the plug-in that the radio is plugged into. What? You sure? No? Okay. Because I got to look in, and that junction box was for when we added more wiring. Worked out all right. I just had to, go over another foot, drop down about 3 feet right into a box. And I changed the box because it was a little one. And the wire wasn't through it far enough to be able to hook up again. Not hook 2 sets anyway. So that's pretty much my day. I'm not going to have the cows in quite yet. I am going to go relax a little bit though. And there you got the tour. The tour of the mostly freshly bedded barn. They were so comfy and cozy in there. They watched me walk through the gate over there, open their gate, go turn the lights on. But yeah, they're going to come out begrudgingly, right? I'm just going to stand over here and lean on this nice growing gate. I'm going to watch them. Loose end. How about that one? Yeah, not as loose. What about you, skinny girl? You look like you ought to be in with the 2-year-olds. The 3-year-old should be in with the 2-year-olds getting some extra groceries, but she's not. Her bag's starting to show, but ain't doing nothing, but she is a little loose. And the big girl there, she's just a big girl. I got a feeling that we're only going to get about half of them out here right now. It is kind of funny. I can look over at the camera at night. I mean, I've always done it because the one in the barn, you look and there's absolutely nobody in there, and then you look again and there's 3 or 4, and then you look again, there might be 20 or 30. But with this one, showing them out here, it's like, hey, oh, they're all in there. And no, look at the other one. No, there's like 10 or 15 over there. Or there's 1 or 2. Or there's none. Smart ones get a drink first. Look at that. Okay, anyway. Yeah, our pretty sky left. Probably start raining a little bit, who knows. Excuse me. And hopefully the damn coyotes aren't right here tonight. They're just far enough away that good flashlight I got just doesn't quite light them up good enough. Especially when they're out there in that shit. I mean, that shit's over waist high on me. Trying to find a coyote in that. Yeah. You know, little bastards know better than to stay on this side of the fence because I can see them easier. You look a little skinny too there, girl. Yeah, we need some tubs, but I've already been told I can't go get the other grain I was going to get, and I can't go get another load of grass seed straw yet. So, because we bought feed and fuel. Yay. Oh well. That's good enough for the day, right? Check is today Tuesday? Must be. Yesterday was Monday. That makes tomorrow hump day, so happy hump day, y'all. Thanks for watching.